Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension? Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention.
What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? We are here, day 2 of laser install, and we're starting off the day with a whole bunch of electrical runs. Getting Greg up in the air right now. We're hoisting him around, getting everything all taken care of. We're also fixing one little issue. Gustavo broke something. Just kidding. We got a little leak, coolant leak going on right now, so he's getting that taken care of. Greg over there, walking by like Bigfoot. He's actually taking care of the electrical that we're running right over there. I don't know, you can tip of my finger right there. Yep, definitely looking crooked. Yep, that's 2 inches way too low. As you can see, they are almost on the final touches here. They're getting decals put on, making everything look good. Up is still looking like a mess. We got stuff literally everywhere. We had to move all the machines over here to over there just to make space for right now. This is why. That's how much clearance we have to get the forklift through. And it's a little sketchy because he's working literally right above me, so I'm hoping he don't drop nothing. Just like yesterday, these guys are working away. Greg is working away right above me. Our crew's working away over there in shipping. We were trying to get out all the Cyber Monday deals. We're trying to get out all the Cyber Monday and Black Friday shipping out right now. But right now I'm kind of stuck right here, getting him all transported all around so we get all the electrical ran. Last night we also made great progress on Acne build number 2. Didn't get as far as I wanted to, but I got pretty much everything done. Minus the 2 front pieces of plastic on the A-pillar and the front carpet. Other than that, we're looking good, so we should finalize that tonight. Do gotta swap out the nice custom powder coated wheels out to the stocks before it goes to paint, and then we gotta separate everything that's going to upholstery as well. So we're literally just kind of running in circles today, like chickens with no heads, and that's kind of the routine around here. Oh man, I should have finished loading up the trailer last night. So, good morning. It is freezing. It is 35 degrees right now. It is absolutely foggy right now, if you can kind of tell behind me. We got the trailer loaded up. We're gonna head to the shop and get everything opened up for the guys. Probably grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna head off into the sunset. Actually, we're gonna head off to paint. All right, just grab me a bite to eat real quick. We're gonna jump on the road, and we're gonna head over to paint. Before that, I gotta stop at the bank though, because for some reason people want money when you do work. We just unloaded mine right now. That is gonna get ready to go to paint. We're gonna unload one more real quick as well, but we're gonna go check it on the guys real quick. All right, Acne number 2 coming off. Hopefully get these woods lined up. These things are so small that they pitch like crazy because of wheelbase. Yeah, already off-roading. So both vans got unloaded right now. We're gonna go talk color. We're gonna go figure out what's going on real quick, and then from there we'll be taking off, dropping the rest of the stuff off to upholstery now. All right, so we're all done over at paint now. We got that all squared away and situated. Now we are heading our way over to upholstery, which I don't know if you can tell back there, but we got panels back here, we got wheels, tires, and a whole bunch of seats. We got 8 seats, we got 8 door panels, and a lot of plastics and trims. So all that has to head over to the upholstery shop, and we're gonna make our way over there right now. We'll see you guys over to Upholstery over here in Anaheim right now, and we're gonna be dropping off the interiors. We're gonna be figuring out color choice right now, thread stitching, and if it's gonna be texture or not texture. So you would think me doing this all day, we would have this dialed in, like I know exactly what I want, but these builds are a little bit different than normal. So I want to show you guys and take you along with the process, and of course show you guys what's going on here. So we got everything situated at Upholstery. I picked my colors. Took me a while, but he gave me great input there. Again, I thought I would know what I want, but when it came down to picking the textures and stuff like that, I didn't know what I wanted. So that was a little bit tricky. Color-wise, I didn't know. The only thing we did leave up in the air right now was headliner, just because I think I might want to tie in the outside paint color into the interior a little bit more than just, well, I can't say too much, but yeah, so I gotta make a stop now real quick. I gotta find 40 gallons of number 46 hydraulic fluid. So that's gonna be the tricky part. It's a little hard to drive around downtown area over here and all these clustered areas with the trailer. So it's gonna be fun trying to find this fluid and driving around through all these different stores right now with the trailer hooked up. So once we find that, we'll be on our way back home, and or not home, but to shop. Same thing, home. I'm there more than my house anyway, so we'll see you guys there. Or if I found oil, you'll see me there. We were able to find our hydraulic fluid we needed real quick at Tractor Supply. I'll take the cart back real quick and head back to the shop now. So we made it back to the shop right now. Looks like the guys have been working hard over here on the laser. They're also working on the press brake right now as we speak. Greg is here somewhere, not sure. I see his van here, I don't know. He's still probably doing electrical somewhere. But I'm gonna show you guys pretty much almost the final product. So they're buttoning up the last of everything right now. Woo, look at that guy. Right now it's dark in here, but we do have full lighting all the way up here. You got a single row here, a double row here for tube cutting and for bed cutting. This thing is sexy. This all lights up. I haven't seen it with these panels on, so these panels are all on now. Pretty exciting to see it all start falling together now. Right now we're actually making another run to the grocery store real quick. We need to get distilled water for the chiller. So everything is coming along, looking good. Back to the shop, everything's looking good. Look like they're taking care of everything. Everything's running smooth, which I'm very glad and very proud of as well. But I'm gonna show you guys what's going on the machine shop side. It's been a minute since I kind of showed you guys what we've been working on over here. Now we're still pumping away. If you guys remember our 3/8 hose clamps that we were our hardline clamps, we offered them in a 3 for our slam manifold. They became so popular and everyone was asking about them that we actually made a 3, a 4, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe they're making a 2 as well. Adding it in the pile right there. So this is before they get cut. They're gonna be solid before branding as well. So these are all looking good. Getting everything lined up. Mr. Gustavo over here working away. Everything going smooth, sir? I think that's a yes. So it looks like he's working on getting a whole bunch of our HHT brackets back in stock. We ran out. We thought we had enough for pre-orders. We sent all the tanks that we had here. Now we're actually remaking a whole bunch of new ones as well. Starting off as a solid chunk like this, and then in the end, it'll become one of our brackets for our compressor mounts and also for our tank mount on the lower side. Looking good. Good job, Gustavo. Thank you. We had already been down, well, today's Wednesday, we've already been down 3 days as well. So the guys decided to actually get this all going over here as a temporary spot, but I'm actually kind of deciding that I kind of like it over here, so we might rearrange some of this material over here as well. We just had a shipment show up as well. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. guys. Oh, guys. Nice. Woo, looks like everything's getting fired on now. Got the computer all functional. The cameras. Hey. Lighting is getting turned on. So now I can tell Vic, hey, why are my parts unloaded? We have access to 3 cameras. I believe they're trying to get the 4th one loaded up right now. Over here, they're actually testing the garage door. This is all electric as well. So they're getting everything dialed in. This is the last final steps. I totally forgot that we ordered this too, and this comes with it. And it's magnetic. Thought of everything. Fancy, fancy. I don't know what we're doing yet. I don't know how this works, but it looks good. Up and running. They're finalizing all the lighting and the cameras and the garage door on the inside. Right now they're testing the functions of the door, making sure everything's working, getting everything dialed in. And we're finally back on production over here. You guys getting everything cleaned up, cut up. We're almost back to normal. Not being as dirty as it's been. It's literally been driving me nuts. Oh man, look at. Now they're working on some of the final touches. The machine is pretty much all assembled. Now what they're doing is getting the last of the cabling, the lines, the air line. They're getting the nitrogen all hooked up as well. So that's what you can see them doing right behind me. Well guys, the time has come. The part I've been nervous about. I'm going to be grabbing some files from here, and we're going to do the first test cuts on the laser. So I'm very excited. So I'm going to start transferring and importing and exporting a whole bunch of files. We're going to start doing some first test cuts and see how it goes from there. So this is where I got to start learning, and this is what I've been nervous about. And welcome Vic. Vic, come on, come over here. Hey, come over here, come over here. YouTube wants you to say hi. Oh. Everyone keeps going, hey, where's that where's Vic? Where's Vic at? I'm like, oh, he's around here somewhere, you know. Yeah, he's hiding.
I'm in my office, that's why.
Yeah, the Oval Office.
I got an office, I moved up.
Yeah. Vic just got a promotion. Hey, you actually getting paid now? Yeah. He finally got his first paycheck after what, 8 years? Yeah, man, congratulations. I'm still waiting to get mine. So right now we're actually cutting. We haven't got the dust collector working. They're actually working on that right now. So you're still gonna see a little bit of smoke right now, but here's our first nested product. The Stealth Laser crew is gone. And I decided I wanted to try to attempt this by myself without so much pressure of everyone staring at me. So luckily we did. I ran into a little issue this morning, but thank God, luckily Vic was kind of standing in on the training as well. So he helped me, and we both were able to figure out which direction we had to get the switch flip to. That was my fault, but that is the reason why we were training multiple people on this. So it's all running. I don't know if you guys can see it cutting right there behind me. I'm very excited. This is the first sheet we cut on our own, so very cool, very exciting, and the cut quality is freaking absolutely amazing. This was one of the first pieces we cut out yesterday. That was one of our test samples that I did programming on and also cut it. This came out pretty clean, and this is our first shot, so looking really good. Those edges nice and glassy. Woo. Exciting, guys, exciting. I'm very, I was very nervous for this because, you know, this is a very big machine. It's also one of our most expensive machines. So to have to worry about stuff getting hit and damaging, I'm constantly keeping my eye on it right now until I kind of get the hang of it, you know what I mean? Putting this thing up, it's like a freaking space shuttle. I mean, there's like so many switches you gotta hit. You gotta get the dust collector going. We got the ducting in yesterday as well. So all the ducting runs over the top, drops down into here. And what this does is pretty much it's a big vacuum. It's just pulling all the dust and debris from the machine. That way we don't have any smoke into the shop and all of our guys are safe. All right, first sheet's all cut. Actually, technically it's the second sheet, but look at that cut. God, that is freaking beautiful. Moved on to sheet number 3. So here's sheet number 1. Look at that. That cut. That is beautiful. I'm so freaking excited for this because it eliminates a lot of work for us. Right now we're going to learn a few other items. Again, the stealth laser guys are actually not here yet. So like I said, right now it's been fun because the pressure is off of me because I feel like everyone was staring at me. But now everything that we learned yesterday is taking effect. So it feels good to do that. Here's straight off the machine right now. All the pieces. And then there's a few that they're working on right here as well.
Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with